One thing to bear in mind as a small business customer and working with your accountant is that when you're working with us, we're not just accountants, but we're also business owners as well. So we can really relate to the types of problems and challenges that you're having as a business owner, the day-to-day ups and downs, the ongoing battles that you can have in relation to, be it recruitment or marketing, sales, systems and processes. All these things are things that we experience in our own business as well. Good thing about working with an accountant and getting business advice and mentoring from your accountant is that the accountant will obviously bring a numbers skill set to the game as well. And this is something that I do in my own business as a Tory accountant. I'm very keen to look at certain numbers in my business, certain key metrics in my business, to see what's working and what's not, or what exactly do those numbers mean. So it's about translating those numbers into meaningful conversations and action plans. Things that you can go away as a business owner and try change something, see how it works, see how the number changes. Because at the end of the day, you're really trying to make more bottom line, more net profit in your business so that you and your family can have a better standard of living. You can have more holidays or better holidays, or provide for your children's future, whatever the case may be. And that's where having somebody very close to work with on the numbers as well as on business advice is really, really important. The key number I would say that applies to improving most businesses is the gross profit margin. Now, some people will think about, more turnover is going to equate to more profit. That sometimes isn't the case. And actually, more often than not, I think in small businesses, you become busier and busier and things get a bit more frantic. Maybe because you don't have the right team in place. Maybe you have the right people in the wrong seats. Maybe you just don't have enough systems and processes. Maybe you need to automate a bit more. Or maybe you just need to stand back and think, is this the right thing to do? But the gross profit margin, the percentage that you're making on every sale, is absolutely critical. So more turnover doesn't mean more profit, but if you can work on your gross profit margin, it will definitely have an impact on your bottom line, even without new customers, even with less customers possibly as well. So in order to look at your gross profit margin and with a view to improving it, you need to be thinking about the prices that you're currently charging for your goods and services. Like, are you undercharging and underselling? You need to look at the possibility of doing more for existing customers or delivering more products to existing customers, maybe cross-selling services and products as well. You need to look at the cost of the products and see is there any way you can get that cost price down, which will bump your margin, or look at doing things a bit more efficiently possibly as well, so that you're getting your team more involved with maybe higher levels of service delivery and cutting you out of the equation as a business owner a bit more. Those are the types of things that can have an immediate impact and a positive impact on your gross profit margin. That's why I think it's one of the key figures that every business should be looking at in order to improve the performance of the business, your motivation for your own business, the motivation of your team, and everything that goes with it.